morning everybody, hope you guys doing alright. Pedro here. Today we have Michael here. You haven't met him before, but he's the one that invited us to do this hike. Today the hike starts near Shawka Dam. I've done a hike there before, but this is a different one. This one actually is supposed to have water and some pools, but it's only depending on the time of the year that you guys come. I don't think now, we are already coming next to the summer, quite close, so it's quite warm and I don't think there's any water, but it's a short trip. It's about an hour and a half, and yeah, let's do this. Me and Michael, we stayed behind for like 2 minutes or something because we were taking some pictures. The rest of the group kept going forward, and guess what? We stopped seeing them, and we actually tried to run a bit to try to catch them, but we didn't find them. So I took the drone up, which is one of the things you can actually do if you have a drone. Bring the drone up, try to see where's the rest of the group, and we managed to find them. We saw more or less where the trail was, and we kept going towards them. But there's too many left and right ways to go, so I guess we took the wrong one. And yeah, for like an hour something, we were looking for the group. And here in Dubai it's around, I don't know, maybe 32, 33 degrees now. There's almost no shade, and if we didn't have any water, it will be quite a tough one. So if you go out hiking or walking in groups to places like this, make sure you stick together. Every like 5 to 10 minutes, try to check out if you are, you know, close to each other, if there's nobody behind, nobody hurt or anything. And yeah, just in general, try to keep it together and bring as much water as you can, all right? If you're watching this video right now, I don't advise you to go hiking anywhere around UAE at this moment because it's way too hot, unless you go like 5-6 a.m. When it gets to 10 a.m. in the morning, it's already way too hot. So yeah, just be mindful of that if you're planning your hikes. And yeah, we haven't finished the trail, so let's keep on going. Guys, it was supposed to be a 2-hour hike. We did around 3 hours because we kind of lost the group and we were trying to find them. But yeah, when we go to places like this, there's not literally a trail, and we're just following more or less the water flow and everything. There wasn't much water, but you managed actually to see some ponds of water, you know, some still water. Don't drink it unless you're about to die. But yeah, if you have some chemicals with you, some chlorine and everything, and you're really you need to drink something, you don't have anything, grab that water, put it in your bottle, put some chlorine, some powders, or you know, there's a lot of stuff like that you can use. And yeah, that's it. Hope you guys have enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe, like. See you guys in my next trip.